Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting question, that is 3 raised to power m into 3 raised to power m divided by 3 equals 12. You have to find the value of t. So we will start solving this question. First of all, we will write this as this will be equals when the bases are same, powers can be added, like we when multiply x raised to power 2 multiply x raised to power 3, this will become x raised to power 5. Similarly, we will solve this as we get 3 raised to power m plus m, and that is divided by 3, and that equals 12. So we get 3 raised to power m plus m will be 3 raised to power 2m, and that equals, here we will do the cross multiplication, 3 times 12. So this equals 12 times 3 is 36, and this side equals 3 raised to power 2 of m. Now we will solve this further as we will do the make the LCM of 36. So this will equal 2 into 18, then 2 9 times, then 3 3 times, then 3 1 times. It's mean we have 36 equals 2 into 2, then 3 into 3. So this is 2 squared into 3 squared. This is 3 raised to power 2 of m. And then you have 3 raised to power 2 of m equals 2 into 3 and its square. Now we will solve this as we get 3 raised to power 2 of m, and then take log on both sides to solve this further. So take log on both sides, we get log of 3 raised to power 2 of m equals log of 2 into 3 power 2. So power is in the start, so 2 of m log of 3, and here also power in the start, 2 of log of 2 into 3. These are multiplied, it's mean they are added. So 2 into log of 2 plus log of 3, and in this side we have 2m log 3. So we have this as, here this 2 is multiplied, it will be divided, so we get m log of 3, that equals 2 by 2, and then log of 2 plus log of 3. So this 2 and 2 are cancelled out, and this log 3 is multiplied here, it will divide it, so we get m equals log of 2 plus log of 3 divided by log of 3. Now we will split this fraction and get m equals log of 2 plus log of 3 divided by log of 3, and this is also divided by log of 3. So log 3 and log 3 both are cancelled out, we get 1. So m equals 1 plus log 2 by log of 3. Here we will apply the change base rule. So change base rule gives us, if we have log of a divided by log of b, so this will equals log of b into a. So we will apply this rule here and get the value of m, that will be 1 plus log, base will be 3 and 2. So this will be the answer, that m equals 1 plus log base is 3 and 2. Now we will do the verification, is our answer is correct or not. So verify this as we will substitute in the left hand side and check our answer is correct. So in the left hand side we have 3 raised to power m into m divided by 3. So we will solve this as this will become 3 and then divided by 3, power is 2 of m. So substitute its value here. So 2 into m is 1 plus log base is 3 and 2 divided by 3. So this will be, power will be split, and 3, 2 into 3 log of base is 3 and 2. So this is in the power form, and we get 3 square into 3 log base is 3 and 2 square divided by 3. So this will equals 3 square is 9 into 2 raised to power 2 divided by 3. So we get 9 into 4 divided by 3. So 3 1 time 3, 3 3 time 9. So 3 into 4 will be 12. That equals right hand side. So you can see how we done this. By solving the left hand side we get the right hand side. So this is gives us that our solution is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because this channel is the learning hub for all mathematical problems related to O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE, many other exam solution, past papers, and many courses that are uploaded in this channel. So if you want to improve your mathematical skills, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem that will be solved in very easy and simple way, so you can easily attempt your questions. These types are questions mostly asked in many competitive exams, interview questions, and many others. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.